Hello and welcome to my first haul with summer here. I decided to raid Zara and H&M to see what I could find, and this is what I found. Subscribe if you want more fashion videos. I've got a few more planned that I think will help elevate your hot girl summer. Starting with this cute A-line white dress. It's short, but it has a skirt lining underneath that helps me feel more comfortable. It gives me tennis vibes, kind of, but I wore it for a day in the park, or I think it would be perfect for brunch. I love it. Next up, I have this pink dress, and the color initially caught my attention, but it also has a lovely side slit that I thought was just so cute, a little sexy for the night, but it just kind of came across a little too nightgownish for me, so I wasn't really sure where I would be able to wear it. This red dress initially seemed like a no-brainer. It has a gorgeous corset lace detailing on the sides. I felt like maybe it was a perfect date night dress. I just think I would need to size down to get rid of the bunching and the creasing that was happening. This 50s dress has a gorgeous collar. I mean, I call it a 50s dress just because that's what I think of it. I love the A-line skirt. It's so flowy, and the tie, and you can see it's like a really cute pastel color. If you're on TikTok, you would have seen this dress. On TikTok, they call it the dress. I adore the dress, but I just couldn't get it to fit. Like, I've seen it on so many different people, and I don't know. I tried a small and a medium, and they were both too short. I couldn't wear them out the house. So if you're maybe more petite, it might work out for you, but it didn't work for me, but I was so sad because I love it. Ugh. This jumpsuit is the cutest. It's a very light material, somewhat sheer, so I would suggest just being mindful of where you're going. I wouldn't really leave the house in this just because it's so light. Maybe good for the beach, but I love it. Super cute. Now we have the red tank top. It's the same material. I would say it's great for the park. Yeah, or if you want to throw like maybe a jeans jacket over it. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing for sure. I feel like this summer I'm obsessed with satin/silk camisoles. I just want them in every color. I bought this one. It's a beautiful pearl color, and it's got some button details on the back. I would wear it everywhere. I wore it to brunch the other day, and I thought it was perfect. What do y'all think of this pink top? I mean, I'm trying to get into color more, but I don't know yet. I don't know. I also had mixed feelings about this blue top. I kind of shy away from patterns and prints, so maybe it was just a little too much for me. This top reminds me of sea moss. I love it. I just think it's such a cute little cut, especially with the bows on the shoulders. Those are kind of like fastened in there, so it's always going to be there. You don't have to retie all day. What would you call this top? Is this like a peasant blouse? I don't know, but I love it. The neckline is gorgeous. The puff sleeves, also gorgeous. I feel like because of the neckline, it's a really good day to night kind of top, or even if you want to just be bright at night, I think it would be really well suited to a dinner out. White linen, you just cannot go wrong with white linen. It's a beautiful staple no matter what time of day, wherever you're going. If you want to wear buttoned up or open, it's always a good option. And sometimes it's so hard to keep whites white, or you might get like a small hole or something in the shirt, so I always feel like really good about stocking up on white linens in the summer. This skirt breaks my heart. I love it, and I love tennis skirts, but I just haven't been able to find any that fit me properly. It looks great on camera, but it is extremely short. Like I could never wear that out. I feel like I wouldn't be able to breathe or have a gentle wind pass. Not at all. I love this beige skirt though. I would have to size up because it wouldn't close, but I really wanted to show you all how beautiful it was. The make was gorgeous, the cut was gorgeous. So if you're looking for a really good day to night skirt, I would get that. Like picture that with like a black satin top. Oh my God, and some black heels. Gorgeous to die for. So we've got the brown trousers here. Excuse the wrinkles, the steamer missed this one, but the size is great. I love the flow and it's super casual. All right, so this is the beginning of the H&M collection. First up we have this white vest, great for around the house. Pretty self-explanatory. And I found this black denim skirt. It's a great fit. It fits great, but I just don't know if it's my style. Yeah, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Now this orange floral dress looked great on the hanger, but I wasn't obsessed with the shoulders and the bust area. I just found that the cut wasn't as flattering as I'd liked it to be. It felt a little maybe too dated for my liking. But yeah, I was going for that kind of like House of CB Reformation look that's out, but didn't quite hit it. I was also conflicted with this dress because initially I loved the color and the texture, but I just couldn't get past the fit. Like, it just came to a weird length. It wasn't really down to my feet, like half calf, you know? It just wasn't working out, but gorgeous up close and on camera, but that's about it. Listen, if you couldn't tell, this H&M trip was not very successful. This dress was not flattering on me at all, and I thought it looked good on the hanger, but it was awful. It looked like a giant bed sheet. When my mom saw it, she laughed so hard. She says, "Are you going out in the meadow? Like, what is that dress?" So, needless to say, this dress is a no. I love the color on this purple dress, and the double strap detailing was a really nice touch, but there was a lot of space in the torso area, which was strange because the bust and the thigh area fit perfectly, so I'm not sure. So we've got an eyelet corset-like top. It was too roomy for me. I would have sized down for sure because there was a stretchy ruching material in the back for expansion, I suppose, which kind of defeated the purpose of the corset, right? But I guess it was just supposed to be corset in looks and not so much in feel. And last up I have a linen puff sleeve or cap sleeve. I'm not really sure what you would call it. I initially thought that the keyhole in the front would have been really cute, but it just wasn't really a flattering fit. So overall, I do think that my best finds were at Zara. I'll have to go back and see what else I can find, but I linked everything below that I could find links for. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Tell me what was your favorite piece. It was a lot of fun to film. I can't wait to do another one for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!